Have you ever wondered how AI can improve your life? Let's take a journey into the world of artificial intelligence, a realm that is no longer confined to the boundaries of science fiction, but has become an integral part of our everyday lives. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a term that might sound complex. Yet at its core, it's simply a tool designed to assist, enhance, and simplify. It's a technology that's been woven into the fabric of our existence, quietly helping us navigate our world with greater ease and efficiency. Picture AI as an invisible assistant, always present, always ready to lend a helping hand. It's in the digital voice that reads out your morning news, the app that predicts your favorite news song, the gadget that controls your home's temperature. It's even in the car that can park itself. AI is not a concept that should be feared or seen as an intimidating force. On the contrary, it should be embraced for its potential to improve our lives in countless ways. And the beauty of it all, it's user-friendly and accessible. Whether you're a teenager engrossed in the latest social media trends or a grandparent wanting to video call your grandkids, AI is for everyone. It doesn't matter if you're tech savvy or not. AI is designed to be intuitive, to learn from you and adapt to your needs. But it doesn't stop there. AI continues to evolve, spreading its wings into various sectors. It's revolutionizing healthcare with predictive diagnostics. It's transforming education by personalizing learning experiences. And it's enhancing entertainment with recommendation algorithms that know just what you want to watch next. So, it's time to dispel any myths or misconceptions you may hold about AI. It's not a futuristic idea or a concept for the next generation. It's here, now, working behind the scenes to make your life easier, more efficient, and a little bit more extraordinary. AI isn't a concept of the future, it's here and it's ready to make your life easier. Think AI is just for techies? Think again. Everyday life is being transformed by artificial intelligence, making tasks easier, more efficient, and even more enjoyable. You might not realize it, but AI is at your fingertips, ready to assist you in ways you might not have yet imagined. Take, for example, Siri, Apple's virtual assistant. Have you ever asked Siri for the weather forecast or to remind you to call your mother? Siri uses artificial intelligence to understand your requests, process them, and provide you with an accurate response. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket, ready to help you manage your day-to-day tasks. Then there's Alexa, Amazon's voice service. Alexa can play your favorite music, answer trivia questions, even control smart home devices just with your voice. Imagine turning on the lights or adjusting the thermostat without lifting a finger. Alexa makes it possible, all thanks to artificial intelligence. And let's not forget Google Assistant. Google Assistant can send texts and emails on your behalf, manage your calendar, and even make reservations for you. It's like having a personal secretary that's always on call, ready to help you streamline your busy life. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. AI is increasingly being integrated into our lives, from the smartphones we carry to the smart homes we live in. It's simplifying tasks, saving time, and adding a touch of convenience that was unthinkable a few short years ago. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech whiz to take advantage of these AI applications. They're user-friendly and intuitive, designed for everyone to use, regardless of your tech savvy. So whether you're a digital native or just getting the hang of your smartphone, AI is ready to enhance your everyday life. Remember, AI isn't something to be intimidated by or feared. It's a tool, a helpful sidekick, ready to assist you in your daily life. So, why not embrace it? From setting reminders to playing your favorite music, AI is your personal assistant. Want to stay fit and healthy? AI is here to help. In the realm of health and fitness, AI is stepping up its game, becoming a personal trainer, dietitian, and health coach, all wrapped in one. Let's explore some user-friendly AI apps that are revolutionizing our approach to health and fitness. Take MyFitnessPal, for instance. This app is a brilliant example of how AI can help us maintain a balanced diet. You can log in what you eat, and the app analyzes your intake, breaking it down into carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. But it doesn't stop there. The AI algorithm in MyFitnessPal observes your eating patterns, learns from them, and offers personalized diet plans. It's like having a nutritionist in your pocket, always ready with advice tailored to your needs. Moving on to workouts, we have Fitbod. This AI-powered app takes personalization to a whole new level. Fitbod doesn't merely suggest random exercises. Instead, it learns from your past workouts, understands your strength and endurance levels, and designs a workout regimen just for you. It even adjusts the routine based on your fatigue level and muscle recovery status. It's like having a personal trainer who knows you inside and out. Let's not forget about AI's role in tracking and improving sleep, a crucial element of overall health. Apps like Sleep Cycle use AI to analyze your sleep patterns and wake you up during your lightest sleep phase. This helps you wake up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to take on the day. These examples show how AI is not a force to be feared or intimidated by. Instead, it's a tool, a guide, and a companion in our journey towards a healthier, fitter life. AI is not here to replace the human touch, but to enhance it, providing us with personalized, data-driven insights that help us make better health decisions. With AI, achieving your health goals has never been easier. So why wait? Embrace the power of AI and let it guide you on your path to wellness. And remember, this is just the beginning. The future of AI in health and fitness holds endless possibilities. Stay tuned to explore more about how AI is shaping our world. Ready to take your learning to the next level? Turn to AI. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we learn and educate ourselves. Let's talk about a couple of user-friendly AI apps that offer personalized learning experiences. First up, we have Duolingo. This language learning app uses AI to adjust the pace and style of learning based on each user's individual progress and needs. It offers a multitude of languages to choose from, and the AI algorithms make sure that you're not just memorizing words, but truly understanding the language. Duolingo uses a blend of reading, writing, listening, and speaking exercises, and keeps things fresh by introducing new types of activities as you progress. Then there's Photomath. This app is a game changer for anyone grappling with math problems. Simply point your device's camera at a handwritten or printed math problem, and Photomath uses AI to solve it, providing detailed step-by-step explanations. It's not just about getting the answer, it's about understanding how to reach that answer. Photomath adapts to your learning style, offering multiple solving methods for each problem. These apps are prime examples of how AI can make learning more engaging and customized. They offer a personalized learning journey, adapting to your pace and style, ensuring you're not just memorizing information, but truly understanding it. The beauty of AI in education is that it's not confined to a traditional classroom setting. Whether you're a lifelong learner wanting to pick up a new language, a student struggling with math, or a curious mind eager to explore new topics, AI has something to offer you. And let's not forget, these are just two examples. The world of AI in education is vast and growing, with more and more innovative apps and platforms emerging every day, each with its own unique way of making learning more accessible, engaging, and personalist. So, are you ready to embrace the AI revolution in education? Remember, the key to effective learning is understanding, and thanks to AI, understanding has never been more within your reach. AI makes learning more engaging and customized to your needs. Need a movie recommendation or a curated playlist? AI has got you covered. It's a Friday night, and you're wondering what to watch on Netflix. With thousands of movies and series to choose from, making a decision can seem overwhelming. But fear not, because AI is here to help. Netflix uses an AI algorithm that tracks your viewing habits, noting the genres you lean towards, the actors you seem to enjoy, and even the time you usually watch. It then uses this information to provide personalized recommendations, making your choice easier and ensuring your viewing experience is tailored to your preferences. So whether you're a fan of gut-wrenching dramas or prefer lighthearted comedies, AI ensures you spend less time searching and more time enjoying. But the entertainment industry isn't just about movies and series. Let's talk music. Spotify, the popular music streaming platform, also harnesses the power of AI to enhance your listening experience. Just like Netflix, Spotify tracks your listening habits, noting the artists, genres, and even the moods of the music you listen to. It then uses this data to create personalized playlists, ensuring that the next song is always one you'll love. And if you're looking to discover new music, Spotify's Discover Weekly playlist, curated by AI, introduces you to songs and artists based on your listening history. AI's reach in the entertainment industry doesn't stop there. Gaming platforms are also incorporating AI to create more realistic, immersive experiences. From dynamic game environments that adapt to a player's style, to AI-controlled characters that learn from and react to the player's actions, gaming has never been more engaging. And let's not forget books. AI-powered apps like Goodreads offer book suggestions based on your reading history, helping you discover your next favorite novel. In a nutshell, AI is revolutionizing the entertainment industry, making it more personalized and engaging. From movies and music to games and books, AI ensures your entertainment is tailored just for you. Planning a trip or finding the best route, AI is your best travel buddy. Imagine this: you're about to embark on a journey. Whether it's a cross-country road trip or a city break, you need to plan your route and find the best travel options. This is where AI comes in, turning an otherwise daunting task into a breeze. Let's explore how AI is revolutionizing travel and navigation. Take Google Maps, for instance. It's not just a digital map, it's your personal travel guide powered by AI. Google Maps predicts traffic and suggests the fastest routes to your destination. It uses data from billions of users worldwide, processes it in real time, and uses AI algorithms to predict how traffic will change over time. Whether you're driving, biking, or walking, you can trust Google Maps to find the best route. But AI isn't just for navigation, it's also your secret weapon for scoring the best travel deals. Consider Hopper, an app that uses AI to predict flight and hotel prices. Hopper analyzes billions of prices daily to provide you with the best time to book your trip. It's like having a personal travel agent who knows exactly when prices will drop. AI also helps make your travels smoother once you've reached your destination. Apps like Google Translate use AI to break down language barriers, allowing you to communicate with locals and fully immerse yourself in the culture. Not to mention, AI-powered recommendation systems can suggest attractions, restaurants, and activities based on your preferences, making your trip truly personalized. So, let AI take the wheel on your next adventure. It's not just about getting from point A to point B anymore. AI is transforming travel into a seamless, personalized experience. It's about finding the fastest routes, scoring the best deals, and discovering new experiences along the way. Travel smarter, not harder, with AI. AI is not a distant concept. It's here and it's making our lives better every day. And that's the truth. Throughout this video, we've seen the impactful ways that artificial intelligence can enhance and improve our lives. And the best part is, it's just the beginning. Let's take a moment to recap what we've explored today. We started with how AI has become a part of our everyday lives, integrating seamlessly into our routines. From smart assistants like Alexa and Google Home that help us manage our daily tasks, to predictive text and autocorrect features that make our communication easier and faster. We then moved on to health and fitness, where AI apps like MyFitnessPal and Fitbod are revolutionizing the way we approach our health goals. They provide personalized workout and nutrition plans, monitor our progress, and even predict future health trends based on our data. In the realm of learning and education, AI has proven to be a game changer. Apps like Duolingo and Coursera leverage AI to create personalized learning experiences. They adapt to our learning speed, recommend courses based on our interests, and provide instant feedback, making learning more engaging and effective. Then we delved into entertainment, where AI is creating a whole new world of possibilities. From Spotify's music recommendation algorithm to Netflix's personalized viewing suggestions, AI is ensuring we get the best entertainment tailored to our preferences. And let's not forget travel and navigation. AI-powered apps like Waze and Google Maps have made getting from point A to B a breeze. They provide real-time traffic updates, suggest the fastest routes, and even help us discover new places. But remember, AI is not something to be feared or intimidated by. It is a tool that is accessible and beneficial to everyone. It is here to help us, to make our lives easier and more enjoyable. It is here to open doors to new opportunities and experiences. We're standing at the brink of an AI revolution, and the best way to embrace it is to understand it, and that's where we come in. At the AI Catalyst, our mission is to help you navigate this exciting new world of AI. We're here to demystify AI, to make it accessible and understandable to everyone, regardless of their age or background. So, are you ready to embark on this journey with us? Are you ready to harness the power of AI to enhance your life? If you are, then we invite you to join us. Join us at the AI Catalyst as we continue to bridge the gap between generations and education on the topic of AI. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.